Hello, my name is Audrey from Highsville Elementary, STLP, and I am going to be balancing an equation. So, I have a problem up here. It is 11 times 5. You would answer 11 times 5, and that would be 55, and then you would bring down your equal sign. But you can't do the next problem in parentheses because there's a missing number and you don't know what it is. So you would go over here and you would bring down your plus sign, and you would do 3 times 2, and that is 6. To find out the missing number, you would do 55 minus 6. You can't take 6 from 5, so you would cross out the 5 beside it and make it a 4 and put a 1 right there. And 15 minus 6 would be 9, and so you would bring down your 4 and you would put 49 right here. 7 times something equals 49. So we would put a 7.